streets, seeking pleasure, they go it happiness. They go round path looking for leisure. They come to say that is freedom. They tend to avoid any type of work that man's responsibility and their sacrifice. And I can earn, they do not work, but trying to get joy without pains. The sleeping garden never, never, never catches the rat. The sleeping garden never, never, never catches the rat. Wait for your future. Lost time will never be gained. Come on, young sisters, wait for your future. Procrastination is a thief of time. Little brothers, wait for your future. None so deep as those who will not hear. Little sisters, wait for your future. None so blind as those who will not see. Sleeping garden never, never, never catches the rat. The sleeping garden never, never, never catches the rat. Many young people go round the streets, seeking pleasure, they call it happiness. They go round paths looking for leisure. They come to say that is freedom. They tend to avoid any type of work that man's responsibility and his sacrifice. And like an ant, they do not work, but trying to gain joy without pains. The sleeping garden never, never, never catches the rat. The sleeping garden never, never, never catches the rat. Only little brothers wait for your future. Lost time will never be gained. Young sisters, wait for your future. Procrastination is a thief of time. Little brothers, wait for your future. None so deep as those who do not hear. Come on, little sisters, wait for your future. None so blind as those who do not see. Come on, little sisters, wait for your future. None so blind as those who do not see. Come on, little brothers, wait for your future. None so deep as those who do not hear. The sleeping garden never, never, never catches the rat. The sleeping garden never, never, never catches the rat. The sleeping garden never, never, never catches the rat. The sleeping garden never, never, never catches the rat. The sleeping garden never, never, never catches the rat. The sleeping garden never, never, never catches the rat. The sleeping garden never, never, never catches the rat.